seconds, it will first of all play before the main video. Let me show you how you can add thumbnail to your videos. Thumbnails are reduced version of your videos or reduced version of your pictures that you use to introduce your videos, like all those first part of the video that will play. It can be from the middle, it can be from the end, it can be from the beginning of the video. It is just the interesting part of your videos that you first of all introduce to your audience before the main video plays. Sometimes when you are watching a video, you can see that a part of the video will first of all play. It can be like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. It will first of all play before the main video starts. And while watching the video, you will see that part that played before inside that video. So that is what is called thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add it through CapCut. It can be a picture or it can be a video, anyone you like. Just crop out the interesting part, so that it will attract your audience to watch that video. So guys, this is the video that I want to use. I've already imported it in my CapCut. Then I'm looking for duplicates. I want to duplicate the video. Okay, now you can see the video is 2 now. So I'll click on the second one and look for overlay. I want to bring it down so that I can be able to drag it. I'll look for overlay. Yeah, see overlay there. Click on it so that I'll be able to adjust it. Okay, then I'll click on the first video and select the interesting part I want. You can see me selecting the part that I want to use as my thumbnail. I've selected it by using split. I will delete the ones that I don't want. Okay, so this part remaining now is the one that I want to use for my thumbnail. Just like 2 or 3 seconds. Then I'll go and bring back the second video that I added overlay to. I'll click and drag it back. Okay, I'm taking it back. So I'll just place it somewhere close to my thumbnail. Then you might want to add something before the video starts, something like text or picture, but I choose to add text, although this one is optional. So I want to write how to add thumbnails to my videos. Okay, this text is optional. You might choose to just edit your video direct without the text, but if you want to, it's fine. So I have to to edit my text, add it a little touch like font style, animations and all that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now this is my text. So this is how the video will look like when I play it. You can see. Then I have to adjust that second video, my second video, so that it will be in the same line. Immediately after my text, you can see me using ruler to measure it. That red line up is where my text stops. So I have to measure it so that immediately my text finish, the video will start. So once you are done, you just save your video and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.